another tripod. Like I've said in the past in my videos, I collect them like candy. Well, not like candy, like stamps. Or I try to have as many different types of tripods as I can afford to. I bought this used, you can see from the packaging, to return, so I got it for a lot cheaper from B&H. And I like them because in, you know, different situations, they come in handy. Sometimes people need tripods, and you may have an extra one, you can give it to them too. So that's another reason that I have many of them. I use this a lot for doing my videos or for taking pictures of persons all over, you know, a group picture. And you just grab one of your tripods and bring it out and take the picture. So I'll have this at the end. I already have a version of this in white, I believe. So let me, and love this brand, love it. So this is the, doesn't have a lot of space for threading. This is what helps it move around when you press this button. Very stable, sturdy tripod. I mean, it's very, you can just tell the quality of it. And this allows you to stick it in it. It won't move until you press this button, which is great. I've had no issues with the other one I have. Let me do a close-up look of this. This is not, the thread's not that much, but okay. This spins the ball, the button to help the ball move. I'll show you the legs. Patent pending. Designed in Italy, and it's nice on the outside. From the base here to the bottom, about 7 inches. The legs themselves, about 5, a little over 5. I like it. It doesn't have much for the threading, but I guess I'll start it from the 1. And you'd have to measure about 1/4 out. Measurement wise, I mean weight wise, just in case you're carrying this, not too heavy. It's a plastic, it's like a, it's plastic. Feels metal-like, but I think it's plastic. Maybe some type of aluminum. So you know what? I have no idea. I can't tell. Feels plastic, but it could be aluminum too. Like a hard plastic, like a toy plastic. All right, your guess is as good as mine. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it's informative. I'll have the packaging at the end. Thank you.